Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ATRS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I've been doing this analysis. I think this is the 3rd day in a row I've done it. So that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And the chart is at a very, very interesting point. And that all revolves around this red line here, which will probably mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos. But this has been the key level of resistance that we've been tracking right up here around the $2.22, $2.23 range. And you can see here the price has broken above it. Now, traditionally speaking, if you're sticking to the letter of the law, okay, this would technically now be considered an area of support. But I'm going to still consider it a level of resistance. And let me explain why. And the big question for me is this a true break or not? What is a true break? Well, a true break has 2 parts. The first part is the obvious one. Well, yeah, the price has to break above a price level. But then the second part is, can the price maintain the break? Can the price stay above the level that it just broke above? And that's what I'm curious about tomorrow. I mean, obviously, if the price just heads up that way, well, then that second part of the question is answered. Not only is it maintaining and staying above that level of resistance, it's now separating to the upside. But whether or not that happens, we'll see. But as far as I'm concerned, now if you want to call this level of support, that's fine. I'm not going to argue against it. But for me, I want to see, is this a true breakout or not? And again, true breakout, the price has got to start to stay above $2.22. By no means am I saying the price has to get up to $2.30 tomorrow. I'm just saying, can the price start to stay above $2.22 for more than just, a couple candles? We'll have to sit back and see with that. But regardless, any way you slice it, I mean, it was a good, healthy day. That's just kind of the key question that I'll be, keeping track of going into tomorrow. As far as supports, you have all sorts of good stuff going on. You have, the purple line, 50-period simple moving average continues to slope upwards. That pink line there did a fantastic job of holding that support, as we've been talking about the past couple of videos. And then, from the big grand scheme of things, $2 is still, in fact, that still pertains, but it's so irrelevant at this point. I'm just going to get rid of it so that we don't have a million lines everywhere from a kind of a presentation standpoint. As far as levels of resistance, given that the price is now starting to flirt with potentially breaking that, I do want to add in one more. So if the price can start to get some separation and head upwards, next key overall area of resistance going to call up there at the $2.30 mark. So all in all, no doubt about it, nice day today. But is this a true break or not? We shall see tomorrow. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.